this practical, we are going to configure NFS server on our Linux system. NFS, which stands for Network File System, allows us to export files or directories onto remote systems from where it can be viewed and accessed. First, go to Systems, Preferences, Network Connections, select this interface, edit, IPv4 settings, set to manual, click on add and set the IP address at 192.168.1.3, tab and click on apply and close. Open a new terminal. We are going to install first the NFS software package. So go to cd/media/R capital, press the tab key, P capital, press the tab key, press enter. rpm-ivh NFS asterisk. The request package is being installed. Next, we are going to go to /home directory, create a new directory here, NFS server. Go to this directory, create a file which can be viewed after being exported in a remote system. Server file, this is a file on NFS server. Enter, Ctrl C. Change the permissions to 777 for this current directory. Next, open the file /etc/exports and type in here /home/NFS server asterisk rw sync and save the file. Then do a service NFS restart and all okay. Next, service IP table stop, set enforce 0, type in show mount -e and the IP address of your system is, then service vs ftpd stop, which is stop by default. And now we go to the client or clone system to access the files exported by this particular system. So start your client. Yes, we are in the client system now. Right click on this, edit connections, edit, IPv4 settings, change to manual, change the IP address to 192.168.1.4, tab here, apply, close. Remember to have interfaces with the common network part. Open a new terminal. Do a service network restart. Go to cd/home mkdir or create a directory NFS client and type in this command mount -t NFS 192.168.1.3 :home/server NFS server. This is the part of the NFS server directory which we have created in our server, space /home/NFS client directory to which we want to mount this server directory. Press enter. Go to NFS client, do ls, do a cd NFS client and change to this directory, do ls, and here we have the server file. Do a cat on server file to read its contents. This is a file of NFS server and this is your NFS practical.